We'll guide you through how to unlock layer on Figma. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because locked layers in Figma can prevent users from selecting, moving, or editing objects on the canvas. To begin this tutorial, open Figma on your computer. When the application launches, click Login with Browser so you can access your account. You will automatically be redirected to your browser to complete the login process. On the login page, choose the login method you want to use. For example, continue with Google. Select the account you use to sign in to Figma so the system can verify your identity. After the authentication process is complete, click Open the desktop app to return to the Figma desktop application. You will automatically be redirected back to the Figma desktop application once the login is successful. Next, open the Figma file where the locked layer is located so you can begin editing the design. Go to the page that contains the layer you want to unlock. In the Layers panel on the left side of the interface, locate the layer that shows the lock icon, which indicates that the object is currently locked. To unlock the layer quickly, click the toggle layer locking icon next to the layer name. Once you click the icon, the lock symbol will disappear and the layer will become editable again. For the second method, open the page that contains the layer you want to unlock in the same design file. Again, locate the layer that shows the lock icon in the Layers panel. Right-click on the locked layer to open the context menu with additional options. From the context menu, select Lock or Unlock to unlock the selected layer. After performing this action, the lock icon will disappear from the layer name, indicating that the object is no longer locked. Once the layer is unlocked, try selecting the object directly on the canvas to confirm that it can now be edited. You can move the object to a new position, resize it, or adjust other properties depending on your design needs. Unlocking layers is useful when you previously locked elements to prevent accidental changes, but later need to edit them again. By following these steps, you can quickly regain full control over the layer and continue working on your design without restrictions.